Okay, one more chapter we will see hard work brings successes. Hard work brings successes. This is the main topics. A fruit of the labor. Once there was a rich businessman. He lived with the family and had each of every comfort. But he had the only one thing to be worried about. That was he had a lazy and fun-loving son. The businessman wanted his son to be a hardworking and responsible. He wanted him to realize that the value of the labor. One day he summoned his son and said, "Son, now you are old enough to work and earn. Today I want you to go out and earn something, otherwise you won't have your meal tonight." The boy was astonished because he was not used to do any kinds of work that demand. His father scared him and he went crying straight to his mother. His mother's heart melted at the sight of the tears in the eyes, her son's eyes. That grew the restless. He wanted to help him, so he gave him a gold coin. In the evening, when the father asked his son what he had earned, his son promptly presented him the gold coin. The father asked him to throw it into a well. The son did not have any problem in it. He did as he was told. The father was a man of wisdom and experiences, so he guessed that the sources of the gold coin was the boy's mother. The next day, the sent his wife to her the parents' town and asked his son to go and earn something, otherwise he would not get the night meal. This time he was crying to his sister, who sympathized with him and gave him a rupees coin out of the own saving. When his father asked him what he had earned, the boy tossed and gave the rupee coin in him. The father again asked him to throw it into the well. The son did it quite readily. Again the father's wisdom told him that the rupees coin was not earned by his son. The, he then sent his daughter to her in-law house. The again asked his son to go out and earn otherwise he could not have anything for dinner that night. This time there was no one to help him out. The son was forced to go to the market in search of work. One of the shopkeeper here told him that he would pay him 2 rupees if he carried his sack to his house. The rich man's son could not refuse and was ready to do. He was drenched in sweat by the time he finished the job. His feet was trembling and his neck and back were itching. There were the races of his back. The son returned home with a 2 rupees note. This father saw it and asked him to throw into the well. The horrified son almost cried out. He could not imagine throwing his hard-earned money like this. He said, sobbing, "Father, my entire body is itching. My back has the races, and you are asking me to throw the money into the well." At this, the businessman smiled. He told him that one feels the pain only when the fruits of the hard labor are wasted. One earlier 2 occasions he was helped by his mother and sister, so he had no pain in throwing the coin into the well. The son now realized the value of the hard work. He vowed never to be lazy and keep safe the father's wealth. The father handed over the key of his shop to the son and promised him help through the rest of the life. Some of the life's best lessons come from the hardest situation. Thank you.